Hey everybody, it's Jess here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. Today we're going to take a look at the Jayco Jay Flight SLX 267 BHS. This is a 26-foot floor plan with a slide. It has double bunk beds and a master bedroom for mom and dad. So let's check it out together.
Summit RV, camping made easy. Summit RV, vacation fun.
Okay guys, so here's an overview of the outside of this Jay Flight SLX. So starting here at the front, we have the diamond plate rock guard. This is going to prevent your aluminum from getting chips and cracks from road debris that may pop up along the way on your journey. We do have two 20-pound LP tanks, and it is prepped for solar. This is a plug-and-play system, so all you need to do is buy your solar panels, and you can actually plug them in there. This does have a power awning from Carefree, and it does have speakers built in, so you don't have to worry about those speakers being like in a separate place on the side of your camper, so you don't have any additional holes cut in your camper, so that's really nice. There is an LED light strip right there on your awning, so you don't have to worry about hanging those lights from the awning. You don't need to pack a step ladder. It's already set up for you when you get to the campground. This is the area where you would add an outside TV to your camper, and there is a mount already there for it. We do have Goodyear Made in America tires and Dexter axles. So these are going to be better going down the road. They're going to hold up longer. You don't have to change your tires as soon as you buy this camper. Back here is where the bunk area is, and you can see there's storage in here, but you can also access this storage area from inside the coach from underneath your bunk. As we head on around here, you can see this is where your electrical hookup is going to be. You have a 30-amp plug here. We have a bumper with a spare tire already installed, so you don't have to worry about purchasing that separate as well. This is wired and prepped for the Furrion plug-and-play backup camera system. All you have to do is add the camera and the monitor panel. You don't have to worry about having it wired. Here is your hot and cold outside shower, so if everybody gets dirty and muddy outside while you're at the campground during the day, you can just hose them off. Let's see here. We'll head on up here and check out this pass-through storage compartment. But first, let's look at this weight. So you can see dry weight on this RV is going to be right at 5798 pounds. So this is definitely half-ton towable, and you can add 1,200 pounds of cargo to this RV. Alright, so that's a quick little walk around of the outside. We'll head inside and check out the living area. This is the charcoal color. I'm sorry. As you can see, it is a beautiful gray interior. You can see how much space this slide adds. It gives it a very open feel. You've got a hide-to-bed sofa here, and then of course you have a 4-person dinette, and this does have storage underneath each bench. Stand all the way back here at the rear so you can see how much floor space you have, and you can see how tall your ceilings are. And we do have a 15K ducted air conditioner, and it is an upgrade from a standard air conditioner. Here in your entertainment center, there is a place that is ready for a TV, and then you do have a Bluetooth sound system, so you can easily pair your phone and listen to your music inside or outside when you're at the campground. Here in the kitchen, we do have seamless countertops. You don't have to worry about that edge molding falling out. It really will make your camping experience a lot easier. We have a double basin sink, so that's going to be easier to wash and dry pots and pans. And then storage underneath, 3-burner cooktop with an oven. And then right here above your range hood is a digital microwave. This is going to be very similar to the one you have at home. Really easy to use. Here in the refrigerator, you have an LP and electric setting, so you can actually boondock when you would like to, and you can run your refrigerator off of your LP tanks, so you don't have to worry about having to have electricity. This is a storage cabinet, or it can be for the people who might be sleeping back here in your bunk area, or it can be a pantry, whatever those needs may be. For you personally, let's turn some lights on back here. All right, so heading back into the bunk area, you can see these are extra large bunk beds. 2 children can sleep in each bunk. There is storage beneath this bottom bunk here, and it does have a 600-pound weight limit. This top bunk has a 300-pound weight limit, so there's lots of space there. Here in this corner is the bathroom sink, so you don't have to worry if someone's using the restroom. You can still get out here and wash your hands. Here in the bathroom, we've got our toilet and a bathtub. And then, of course, we have a domed skylight with a shower head, so you can stand up and shower and don't worry about being too tall. And there is a 12-volt fan in there as well. So we'll take another real quick look at this floor plan. Alright guys, so thanks for checking out this video. Again, this is the 267 BHS Jay Flight SLX floor plan. This is an awesome floor plan for a family. It has lots of space. It is a 26-foot single slide unit. It weighs under 6,000 pounds, so it's definitely half-ton towable. If you guys have any questions about this or any of our units, you can check out summitrv.com. We've got photos and videos of every single camper on our lot today. You can also call or text us at 606-928-6795. And if you, like I said, if you have any questions, one of us will be happy to help you. We'll get with you right away. And definitely come see us if you're in Ashland, Kentucky. We are open Monday through Saturday year-round. Right now during the summer, we're open 8:30 to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. And on Saturdays, we're open 8:30 to 5. Thanks, guys.
RV camping made easy. Summit RV vacation fun. Summit RV.